If you want to use circle to search on a Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, if you use 3 buttons at the bottom of the screen to navigate, you can press and hold your finger on the home button over here for a couple of seconds, and then you will activate the Google's circle to search overlay. If you use the gesture system for navigation, then in that case you want to press and hold your finger on the navigation bar that you will find at the bottom of the screen, and you also have to hold for like a second or two. Now once you open the overlay, once you have circle to search activated, then you should be able to either tap anywhere to select the reference to search in Google, or you can draw a shape around the thing that should be used as a reference. And as you can see, we immediately open Google search. Here we also see the selected area. Also in here, of course, you can still adjust the selected area just to, for example, fix it in case it has been selected incorrectly. And then you should be able to get Google search results with that selected area. You can find, for example, the AI overview. We have visual matches. You can also switch to exact matches, and so on and so forth. Now, besides that, you can, of course, use these additional options that we have at the bottom, where we have this huge bar. So for example, this music node is used to search for a song. So if you can hear a song somewhere in the background, if you wish to know the title of that song, then you can activate this option and then let your phone try to detect the song. If Google manages to recognize the song, then you should be able to get a Google search result with the song title. Also, we have the translation option. So if you tap on this translation button, you can translate your current screen. So if you often visit foreign websites or websites written in unknown language, unknown to you of course, then you should be able to simply use that option, and then the screen is going to be translated. You can choose, well, usually the language, the source language is automatically detected, excuse me, but you should be able to also choose the specific language in case it is selected incorrectly. And of course you can also choose the target language, and that is pretty much it. Of course, if you press and hold your finger on the home button or the navigation bar and it does not activate circle to search, you can make sure that circle to search is enabled in your settings. So once you open settings on your phone, then you should be able to go to the home screen, then in here go to system navigation, and if you use buttons, search for press and hold home button, make sure that circle to search is selected in here. And in the case of gestures, you should be able to find press and hold full screen indicator, and also you can make sure that it is enabled. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.